If the US soil suddenly encounters a massive attack, what happens? At the moment the alarm was confirmed, North American Air Defense Command, known as the patron saint of North America, will immediately be put on maximum alert. Radar satellites spread across the country and even in space form an invisible giant web, accurately lock on every incoming target. At the same time, air bases all over the United States, there will be a piercing alarm. Aircraft on runway alert will roar into the sky in minutes, dive in the direction of the threat. At the same time, all civil aviation flights were urgently grounded. Make way for defensive operations. The fighter jets that take off are only the first line of defense. Aegis destroyers deployed near the coastline will launch standard series missiles, form an interception barrier at sea. Air defense systems such as Patriot SOD on land. Waiting. Terminal killing of missiles that break through maritime interception. However, attacks may not come from the air alone. Hostile forces try to establish a foothold on the coastline. At this time, National Guard units across the United States will be activated in an instant. They fought side by side with the standing army, guard key bridges and power plants, transportation hubs and government facilities. If the conflict continues, America's powerful industrial machinery will show terrifying energy. Detroit's car production line turned overnight. Start production of military vehicle components. Seattle's aviation giant make every effort to manufacture drone and fighter parts. Shipyards across the country are brightly lit. Round-the-clock repair of damaged warships. Even rearming the old ship that was sealed. Make sure that soldiers on the front lines. There is an endless supply of ammunition and food. At the same time, based on a strong alliance system, allies from North America, Europe, and even the Asia-Pacific will provide rapid and substantive support, such as air patrol intelligence sharing and maritime escort. Form a global defense network. This deduction is not preemptive. Talking about war reveals, peace is often built on strong defensive foundations.